Alright, camping trip is over. Now, well, we gotta wait, cause hear that? Nah, that's just someone rolling something. The real ones are way louder than that. But people next door being loud, don't pay attention to them. I don't know what's going on over there, but I don't care. It's not my problem. I don't think the camera picked that up. There was just a really big flash of blue light. Yeah, I think my audio capture is at least that good. I mean, normally this would just be a storm, but we happen to be in tents in the middle of the woods right now, right next to a river, actually. So, yeah, this will be fun. There's a bigger flash of light, so I'll get that thunder and then I'll end the video. Yeah, like I said, right next to a river, so this should be interesting. Another flash. I'll get this one, then I'll end the video. Hope the audio can capture all this. Sorry, these people next door are being loud, but... Oh, here comes the rain. Alright. Well, if I survive, I'll make another recording tomorrow, probably. Even though I won't post these on time, and I'll probably post these at the same time as each other. At, like, you know, months after it happens. Well, that is if I survive. Or, more accurately, if my phone survives. Anyways, here's the rain, and yep, see y'all later.